Amazing performance. Thank you, Sujan.
Judges, please note down the time taken was 2 minutes 62 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 62 seconds.
Let's call our last participants of this event. Santosh KS, college code is C10. Awesome performance. Thank you, Santosh.
Judges, please note down the time taken was 3 minutes. I repeat, 3 minutes.
And I'll show on 2020.
The judge for today's event is
Akshay Sunil, dancing since 13 years, artistic director of Rhythm, National Dance Studio, Tumkuru. Silver medalist at International Groove Fest at 2018 Dubai. One of the best dance studio in Tumkuru, providing professional dance training. Trained under Shakti Mohan and Bindu Bolar. Joint Secretary of Tumkur Dance School Owners Association. We welcome you, sir.
we welcome the faculty coordinators who made it to the event in spite of their busy schedule.
It's time to welcome our mains. That's you.
The rules of the events are maximum of 3 participants are allowed per college.
The participants will be given a max of 3 plus 2 minutes on stage.
Any costumes, gestures and actions should not be absent.
Live band performance or group song accompanied by the dancing is not allowed.
Poor CD quality is not the responsibility of authorities.
Any injuries sustained by the participants while performing the dance is not the responsibilities of the organizers.
The decision of the judges is final and binding.
Do you feel turbulence around here?
Yes, I do. It's the heartbeats that have gone up.
Without further delay, let's call up our first participant, Tejasvi, with college code C6.
I request Likith and Shivani to report to the backstage.
College code C6.
बराबर थी, मैं उसके बराबर। अगर उसके साथ होता ना तो जिंदगी बराबरी की कटती, पर जिंदगी काटनी किसे थी, हमें तो जीनी थी।
वो रंग भी क्या रंग है, मिलता ना जो तेरी होठ के रंग से हूबहू। वो खुशबू क्या खुशबू, ठहरे ना जो तेरी सांवली जुल्फ के रूबरू। तेरे आगे है दुनिया ये फीकी सी, मेरे बिन तू न होगा किसी का भी। अब ये जाहिर सरेआम है, ऐलान है, जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। उलझन भी हूँ तेरी, उलझन का हल भी हूँ मैं। थोड़ी सी जिद्दी हूँ, थोड़ी पागल भी हूँ मैं। बरखा बिजली बादल झूठे झूठी, फूलों की सौगातें। सच्ची तू है सच्चा, मैं हूँ सच्ची, अपने दिल की बातें। दस्तक हाथों से हाथों पे कर दे तू, ना कर आंखों पे पलकों के पर्दे तू। क्या ये इतना बड़ा काम है, ऐलान है, जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू।
What a kickstart to our event.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 37 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 37 seconds.
Let's call up our next participant, Likith, with college code C26.
I request Prajwal SK to report to the backstage.
यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे, हम यार भीग जाएं इस चाहत की बारिश में। तेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाऊं मैं अपनी उंगलियों से, मैं तो हूँ इसी ख्वाहिश में। सर्दी की रातों में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में, हम दोनों तन्हा ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासा हूँ, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में। है मेरी कसम तुझको संग दूर कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ।
Give me some super distorted bassline.
मैनू छड़ गई है हाँ दिल चों कट गई है वफा भी ना कर पाई ए जो तू कर गई है दिल मेरा हाले भी तेनू चाहता है तेरा होके रहना चाहता है एक बारी आ जा मेरे कोल तेनू रज रज प्यार करा बस एक बारी बह जा मेरे कोल तेनू सजदा मैं रोज करा मैं देखा तेरी फोटो 100 बार कुड़े मैं देखा तेरी फोटो 100 बार कुड़े के उठ दे तूफान सीने विच 100 बार कुड़े के उठ दे तूफान सीने विच 100 बार कुड़े तू सुपने च आ ही जानी है
Quite good. Let's dance.
निमुड़ा 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 अरे काचा काचा छोटा छोटा निमुड़ा लाई दो निमुड़ा 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 अरे काचा काचा छोटा छोटा निमुड़ा लाई दो अरे लाई दो अरे लाई दो निमुड़ा लाई दो
Judges, please note down the time taken was 4 minutes 14 seconds. I repeat, 4 minutes 14 seconds. I request Mahesh Babu Yan to report to the backstage.
Let's call up our next participant, Shivani, college code C6.
जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ तुझ पे ही आके रुके कहने को आके है क्या कहना था जो कह चुके मेरी निगाहें है तेरी निगाहों पे तुझे खबर क्या बेखबर मैं तुझसे ही छुप छुप कर तेरी आँखें पढ़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
Performance.
Judges, please note down the time taken was 2 minutes 48 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 48 seconds. I request Chaitanya Krishna to report to the backstage.
Let's call upon next participant, Prajwal SK, College Code C20.
जाने मन आएंगे अब तो बादल भी भीगेंगे अब तो आंचल भी जिंदगी होगी अपनी जिंदगी अब तो कश्तियां भी लग गई मस्तियां भी मिल गई जाने मन रात काली सो गई रोशनी भी हो गई जाने मन
फक्र है मुझे हिंदुस्तान पर, इस देश से तो प्यार मुझे भी है यार।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे हम सर कटाने से नहीं डरते। देश मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
Just please note down, the time taken was 3 minutes 50 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 50 seconds.
Let's call upon next participant, Mahesh Babu, College Code C22.
I request Manjunath to report to the backstage.
Let's go.
బ్రదర్ ఆపన్నా, ఈ డిచ్చిక్ డిచ్చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమన్నా? అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం. బంటూ గానికి 22 బస్తుల మస్తు కట్అవుట్, బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు, తిక్కే సాలక ఓ నైటు ఎక్కి డొక్కు బుల్లెట్, సంగు సంగుల మందు కోసం ఎతుకుతాంటే రూటు, సిగ్గు షీరగట్టుకోని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు, బొట్లంగట్టిన బిర్యానీకి బొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు, బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమావ, సుఖదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెరో చిరునమ్మావ, చిక్కలెక్క దుంకుతుంటరో ఆ సందమావ, చుక్కి చాలి చిక్కుకుందిరో నా దిల్లు కుమావా. రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో, రాములో రాములా నా పానం చేసిందిరో, రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో, రాములో రాములా నా పానం చేసిందిరో.
ఒక్కసారి చెప్తే 100 సార్లు చెప్పినట్టే.
Get the point? Good. Let's dance.
Judges, please note down the time taken was 4 minutes 45 seconds. I repeat, 4 minutes 45 seconds. I request Apeksha to report to the backstage.
Let's call up our next participant, Chaitanya Krishna, college code C6.
చెప్పాలని ఉంది
Ladies and gentlemen,
ఊహలు గుసగుసలాడే నా హృదయము ఊగిసలాడే ప్రియా, ఊహలు గుసగుసలాడే నా హృదయము ఊగిసలాడే,
ఊహలు గుసగుసలాడే నా హృదయము ఊగిసలాడే.
make some noise!
ఏమండోయ్ శ్రీవారు, ఒక చిన్న మాట, ఏ ఊరు పెడతారు, ఏది కాని వేళ.
ఓ బంగారు రంగుల చిలక పలకవి,
ఓ
Let's rock.
मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई। जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी, कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई।
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 22 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 22 seconds.
Let's call up our next participant, Apeksha, college code C6.
I request Puneet MP to report to the backstage.
चल गिन 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 थोड़ा गिनती करते, किसने बोलते किसने करते। हाँ ये वो कृष्ण लड़का, काली टोपी बिंदी सर पे, बातें इसकी उसकी घर का कभी बिल भी भरते। शेर बनता फिरता मिलने पर ये दिल्ली बनते सिल्ली बंदे। तू एक्टिंग अच्छा करता या तो सही में मंदे, जो रात में तेरे बोलता क्या वो सही में करता। तू अच्छे घर का अच्छे घर मेरे, अच्छे घर से रहना मतलब सही ना पे। मैं तेरे जैसा नहीं ना पे, गाने ड्रॉप मेरे फैन सही में फैला दे। व्यूज खरीदना अपना स्टाइल ना पे, हैरान रे चूंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है। चलने वाले रुक जा बेटा, सबको देना पार्टी है। लड़कियों के साथ अभी पीछे पड़ा गांधी है। सूरज मेरा दोस्त तो साथ तेरा चांद भी है। चलने वाले मुझको देखकर बोले भाई तुझे मान लिया मान लिया मान लिया। मन को लगती शांति है जेब में जब गांधी है। अब गलेंगे अब भाई तुझे मान लिया। मन को लगती शांति है जेब में जब गांधी है। अब गलेंगे अब मान लिया मन को लगती शांति है जेब में जब गांधी है। अब मान लिया मन को लगती शांति है जेब में जब गांधी है। हमको छोड़े लाना बांधी है। एक होगा दो होगा तीन होगा चार 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 चल गिन गिन गिन।
시간이 되지 반드시 아마 도망땡대 귀신 나쁜 발을 걸어 다들 눈 못해 모두 따라와요 hands up in the air we back get away 이제 막 터질 거야 everywhere 두려워해 so 한번 훔쳐보네 근데 내 진심은 왜 결국에 날 거부 못해 숨어서 저보다가 깜짝 놀라지 내게 난 이놈이 같은 난 내 존재의 일부 나는 성격과 그리고 내 어깨도 그 어느 저자 언제 터질지 몰라 Popping your hair like King Spencer The fireman gun fireworks are raising the sky 네가 뭐해 우리 컨셉 절대 없어 I do it 너만 없는 날 I do it 내가 아프다는 것도 해 do it won't stop. Where the brakes at? I give him that diddy bop. Like take that, take that, take that, take that. I'ma put in work. I'ma do that ASAP. Throw my faith in rap, but they say don't say that, huh? What I'ma turn down for? I feel like Shaq in 9-4, breaking glass in that backboard. I like Kobe and Toronto, huh? Dropping 81, yo I dropped the 88. Ricky Bobby, shake and bake, sleeping on it, should've stayed awake, huh? Everybody make mistakes like VJs. Tryna say my name is Minio. Say it with me, Minio. Okay, great. 2 forks high, raise stakes. Risk it all, I take the hate. This the winning team. Get the Gatorade. My guy good, but he's not safe. You can't stop me. Don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not enough. I'm my biggest problem. Don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not enough. You can't stop me.
I request Pooja SR to report to the backstage.
We call upon next participant, Shubhashri, college code C21.
Bang it. Bang it. Bang it to the curb. Bang it. Bang it. पग पग डोलो रे हो पग पग डोलो रे जगमग से जगमग से पूरे तेरे तीर से चिपटी चंदन से दाग से लिपटी मैं बेहोश तू नशा ऐसी मोह की दशा मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनों वाले छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया
Check this out, right?
Don't act like you forgot. I call a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Y'all should know me well enough. Better have my back. It better have. It better have. It better have. It better have my money. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Like you shoot. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money.
Let's rock.
Performance.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 55 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 55 seconds. I request Manjunath to report to the backstage.
Let's call upon next participant, Prajwal Chotu, college code C24.
Mashallah, Mashallah,
Start the beat.
Mashallah, Mashallah, Mashallah. तेरी नजर मिल जाए मुझसे अगर माना मुझे मुझको तो मिली है दोनों के बीच में कुछ हो गया रिलेट जोड़ी है तेरी और मेरी बेबी जस्ट जुदा और बड़ी ग्रेट Urwasi, take it easy, Urwasi, take it easy, Urwasi. रेगिज़ारों में आग है जितनी है लहू खोलता मेरा इन रगों में फिर भी खाकसारों को खाक ही काफी रस मुझको है खामोशी मेरी बेजुबान कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा बेजुबान कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎటగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి
Marvelous performance.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 2 minutes 8 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 8 seconds. I request Naga Prasad to report to the backstage.
Let's call upon next participant, Shagun Singh, College Code C6.
If you wake up, change your mind and drop me love to hate me crazy, shady, spin me on like hot wasabi. All the ugly things you say, come and say them to my face. Like coffee, wake up, change your mind and drop me love to hate me crazy, shady, spin me on like hot wasabi. Sweet and salty, mix it up and down my body. Love to hate me, praise me, shame me, either way I talk about it. Watching me, I am watching you. What you see, I hope you like the video. Best believe, never get to me. All these words run through me. Every man who ever sees me wants to hold my hand and be the one that gets me to see all I do. They swear eternal undying devotion, yes, they swear that they will love me forever, love me true. But I don't need a shining star, and I don't want to be rescued. I'm neither from my charming prince, nor my summer's barbecue. I wanna chicky-ricky with you, boy. I wanna chicky-ricky with you. I wanna chicky-ricky with you, just chicky-ricky with you. आरे प्रीतम प्यारे बंदूक में ना तो गोली मारे आरे प्रीतम प्यारे बंदूक में ना तो गोली मारे आरे प्रीतम प्यारे सब आग तो मेरी चोली मेरे जरा हुक्का उठा जरा चिल्लम जला पल्लू के नीचे छुपा के रखा है उठा दूं तो हंगामा हो पल्लू के नीचे छुपा के रखा है उठा दूं तो हंगामा हो like you shoot Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my money.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 2 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 2 seconds. I request Pooja SR to report to the backstage.
Let's call upon next participant, Punit, College Code C15.
stop. What is this? You're telling Harikate? I will tell all patho lovers with it. Play tamta yaar.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 16 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 16 seconds.
Let's call upon next participant, Naga Prasad, college code C6.
Girl, with a bang bang, bounce with it, girl, dance with it, girl, get with it, girl, with a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns now, hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you and
Baby,
me.
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. But I don't need no money.
You ain't more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the
Make the
beat.
day just take control.
I don't need no
You ain't more
money.
than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I keep
Free up
dancing.
yourself, get out of control.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the guns
With a bang.
now, hit the guns
With a bang.
now. I got all I need.
See.
No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you
Baby,
and me.
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. But I don't need no
You ain't more
money.
than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the
Make the
beat.
day just take control.
I don't need no
You ain't more than
money.
diamond, more than gold.
As long as I keep
Free up
dancing.
yourself, get out of control. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. What is it the thing you ever make me feel weak, girl? Free. Cause anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it on repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you worth.
I don't need no money.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the beat.
Make the day just take control.
I don't need no money.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I keep dancing.
Free up yourself, get out of control.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. But I don't need no
You worth more than
money.
diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the
Make
beat.
the day just take control.
I don't need no
You worth more
money.
than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I keep
Free up yourself, get out of control.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 34 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 34 seconds.
Let's call upon next participant, Dayanand, college code C25.
Shining in the ceiling sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, oh heal me. वैसे तो मन मेरा पहले भी रातों में अक्सर ही चाहत के हाँ सपने सजोता था. पहले भी धड़कन ये धुन कोई गाती थी, पर अब जो होता है वो मिला हूँ।
अगर अपने यार की जिंदगी चाहिए तो जरा कुछ नाच गाना दिखा दो हमको भी।
Follow me.
Audio Jungle.
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 2 minutes 15 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 15 seconds.
Let's call upon next participant, Pooja, College Code C22.
ఉండిపోరాదే గుండె నీదేలే హత్తుకోరాదే గుండెకే నన్నే అయ్యో అయ్యో పాదం నేలపై ఆగనన్నది మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ గాలో మేఘమై తేలుతున్నది అందం అమ్మాయైతే నీలా ఉందా అన్నట్టుందే మోమాటలే వదల్నాయే అడగాలంటే కౌగిలే ఉండిపోరాదే గుండె నీదేలే హత్తుకోరాదే గుండెకే నన్నే ఓ నిసిలో ససిలా నిన్నే చూసాక మనసే మురిసే ఎగసే అలలాగా ఏదో మైకంలో నేనే ఉన్నాలే నాలో నేనంటూ లేనులే మండే ఎండల్లో వెండి వెన్నెలనే ముందే నేనెప్పుడు చూడలే చీకట్లో కూడా నీడలా నీ వెంటే నేను ఉండగా వేరే జన్మంటూ నాకే ఎందుకులే నీతో ఈ నిమిషం చాలులే అందం అమ్మాయైతే నీలా ఉందా అన్నట్టుందే మోమాటలే వదల్నాయే అడగాలంటే కౌగిలే ఉండిపోరాదే గుండె నీదేలే హత్తుకోరాదే గుండెకే నన్నే
హాయ్ గైస్, నేను మీ నవీన్ చంద్రం.
హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ.
ప్లీజ్
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 3 minutes 10 seconds. I repeat, 3 minutes 10 seconds.
Last but not the least, the last participants of the evening is Manjunath, College Code C22.
तेरा इंतजार मुझे कर लेना प्यार मुझे जरा एक बार मुझे कह देना यार मुझे Do you love me? कैसे मैं बताऊं क्या हाल मेरा है तेरे बिना हर पल जैसे सजा है कैसे मैं बताऊं क्या हाल मेरा है तेरे बिना हर पल जैसे सजा है तू भी है यही यार मैं भी हूँ यही फिर क्यों दूरी दोनों में यहाँ है मैं भी तो हूँ मुश्किल में जो है तेरे दिल में जरा तू कह देना Do you love me? Do you love me? तेरा इंतजार मुझे कर लेना प्यार मुझे जरा एक बार मुझे कह देना यार मुझे Do you love me?
Judges, please note down. The time taken was 2 minutes 10 seconds. I repeat, 2 minutes 10 seconds.
Now I request Judge Akshay to perform the dance for us. Please, sir.
Powerful people come from powerful places.
सलाम रॉकी भाई रॉकी सलाम रॉकी भाई सलाम रॉकी भाई दिला कर देना भाई तू है सबका भाई
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಬಳ ಪಲ್ಟಿ ಓಡಿದ್ದಾರು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಗಿಂಬಳು ಮಾಂತೇನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಲವ್ ಮಗ ಒಂದು 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಂಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದೊತ್ತು ಊಟ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕತ್ತು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಬಂದು ತಿಂದ್ರು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಉಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗೋಗಿ ಮೈ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ತಲೆ ಮರ್ಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಊರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ರು ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಊರು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಶೋಕಿ ಏನು 1 2 ಡೈಲಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸಿಗರೇಟು ಸೇದೇಸಿತೀನಿ ಹರಟೆ ಒಡೆಯಕ್ಕೊಬ್ಬ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಕು ನಾನ್ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಾಗೋಬೇಕು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಮೂಸಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಇದುವೇ ನನ್ನ ಜಾಯಮಾನ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಗೋಸಿಮಾನ
Powerful people come from powerful places.
Thank you, sir.
I request our judges to come on the stage.
I request our faculty coordinator, Mr. Suchitra, to come out on the stage and facilitate the judges.
ಕಾಯುವ ಬಾಂಧವರೇ, ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಅರಿತವರೇ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಮುನ್ನುಡಿ. ಇದ್ದರದೊಂದು ದಂತ ಕಥೆ, ನಾಲ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲು ಬೇಕವನು, ಬಂದೂಕು ಹಿಡಿದ ಮಾನವನು, ತಲೆ ಮೇಲಿದ ಕಿರೀಟ ತೀರಾಟ, ಗುರಿ ಬೆನ್ನತ್ತು ನೇತಾರನು. ಗಾಳಿ ಮಾತಿನ ಬಸಾರು, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಸಾರಿದ ಸುಮಾರು, ಪಾತ್ರದ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರೋರು, ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಘನ ಹೆಸರು. ಅದು ಅನವರತ ನಾ ಅಜ್ಞಾತ, ಇದೆ ವೇದಾಂತ, ಇದು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸೋ ಅವತಾರ.
Spending valuable time with us. We also thank our faculty coordinators for their constant support. This is Lahari.
वागर्था प्रतिपत्तये जगत् पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ प्रभो शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्र सभा शंकर श्री शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ प्रभो भस्मत्र पूतन के संग नाचे धरोगे, पूतन के संग नाचे धरोगे, अस्मत्तने धने कुटमारा, पूतन के संग नाचे धरोगे, शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो के रत विराजित चित्रहंस शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभो गिरिनाथ प्रभो
was 4 minutes and 57 seconds. I repeat, 4 minutes 57 seconds.
With a huge round of applause, let's call upon our next participant, Srujana Suresh, College Code C6.
प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, परम मंगल कला महोत्सव, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, परम मंगल कला महोत्सव, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, परम मंगल कला महोत्सव, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव. पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन, पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन, पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन, परवशनाद परमेश्वर नर्तन, परवशनाद परमेश्वर नर्तन. तम तम धिगिट तक धिम 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 धनकट तक दुम 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 झुलकट तक नम 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 धिमकट तक धम धम धिगिट तक धिम धिम धनकट तक दुम दुम झुलकट तक नम नम धिमकट तक धम धिगिट तक धिम धनकट तक दुम झुलकट तक नम धिमकट तक धिगिट तक धनकट तक झुलकट तक धिमकट तक धम तरि तक झंड धिम तरि तक झंड दुम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धम तरि तक झंड धिम तरि तक झंड दुम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धिम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धम तरि तक झनकट तक धम धम तरि तक झंड धिम तरि तक झंड दुम तरि तक झंड नुम तरि तक झंड तक तक धम धम तत तक धम धिम तक तक धम परवशनाद परमेश्वर नर्तन, पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन, परवशनाद परमेश्वर नर्तन, प्रदोष समयदे परशिव तांडव, परम मंगल कला महोत्सव,
ಮೊಳಗಿದೆ ಮದ್ದಳೆ ಮೊಳಗಿದೆ ಮದ್ದಳೆ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತಗದಿನಿ ತಗಜಣು ತೋಂ ಮರುದನಿಗೈದಿದೆ ಹಿಮವತ್ ಶಿಖರವು ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಯ ತಾಳಮೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹಾಶಿವನ ತಾಂಡವ ಮನೋಹರವು ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಯ ತಾಳಮೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹಾಶಿವನ ತಾಂಡವ ಮನೋಹರವು ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಸಮಯದಿ ಪರಶಿವ ತಾಂಡವ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳ ಕಲಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಸಮಯದಿ ಪರಶಿವ ತಾಂಡವ
Fabulous performance.
Judges, please note down, the time taken was 5 minutes. I repeat, the time taken was 5 minutes.
With a huge round of applause, let's call upon our next participant, Asta Pandey, and the college code is C6.
मोहे रंग दोला
जीना
Fashion is about change which is necessary to keep life interesting. The charm of fashion is infinite. Some visualize it as product and many use as an easy and fascinating way to stand out of crowd.
The joy of dressing is in art. Fashion is a part of culture and it's more than just pretty dress.
Fashion is something which defines you, who you are, without even telling anything.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo! These glitz, this glamour,
These lights and this ramp,
this unique pledge of culture and technology.
and of course, all of you and both of us.
We welcome you all to
Halcyon 2020 Indian Ethnic Show.
I'm Aisha.
I am Hemant.
I must say, look at the crowd. Spectacular.
I love that energy.
What do I tell you? Where do I start from?
Hello? Hi.
Are you guys excited? Are you looking for something more?
What are your expectations? Do you need fun? Or entertainment? Then
That's gonna be full on. I once again extend a warm welcome to all the wonderful people present here.
I welcome our principal, KP Shivananda sir. I welcome you, sir.
I welcome our cultural coordinator, Dr. G.S. Shiv Shankar sir. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our faculty coordinators and teachers who are present here. I welcome you one and all.
I heartily welcome our beautiful judges of today's event, Mrs. Arpita Dev and Miss Divyani Jain.
Mrs. Arpita Dev is a fashion choreographer and groomer for past 10 years in Arya Bharati Fashion Technology and also in outside shows like Cultural Diva and many more engineering and management colleges. Her awards are got Nikes Award, Central Award in 2018. Winning title is Miss Tumkur Outfit Diva 2009, Mrs. Karnataka 2020, Mrs. Style Icon 2020, Mrs. Spectacular Eyes 2020. She was also actress at documentary movies like James 7. She judged more than 30 shows from past years, that is from 2009 to 2020. And lastly, she also acted and danced in album song dedicated to Vishnuvardhan sir.
I heartily welcome you, ma'am. Miss Divyani Jain. Divyani Jain is a fashion designer and model. She did her Bachelor of Design in Knitwear Designing from National Institute of Fashion Technology. She is in the field of fashion industry for past 10 years, working with the national and international brands. She worked for the brand Louis Philippe for the graduation project and has designed collection of project from Spring Summer 2019. She undertaken many projects and designed a Spring 2018 collection for the brand Puma, and also one owns label Radiv. Is launched in 2018 September. Currently working as designer in Cactus menswear for the brand Ricky and Mickey. Flower and Cactus Men, and Dimin. She has been invited as judge by many modeling agencies and institutes in and around Bengaluru. She also won several awards such as Voice of Tumakuru Runner-Up 2014, Miss Best Outfit 2015, Best Design Collection 2017.
I welcome you, ma'am. Give them a big round of applause for our most gorgeous and beautiful judges today.
Come on, guys.
Woo! Within few moments, you all will get the chance to see our lovely divas and handsome hunks putting on display some of the most glamorous ethnic outfits.
Before that, let us glance the rules of today's event.
The rules for today's event are 3 teams per college.
Team can include both boys and girls.
Minimum 3 participants and maximum 20 participants.
Karaoke will be allowed.
Time limit is 8 plus 2 minutes.
We restate.
Time limit is 8 plus 2 minutes.
Participants are requested to behave decently on stage. Indecent acts will lead to disqualification.
Dress code of participants should strictly portray Indian ethnicity.
Traditional culture of different states has to be represented.
Decision of judges is final and binding. This fashion display isn't about looking good or having that perfect figure, but about loving yourself and looking good in whatever you wear.
Exactly, you're right. Now, it's time to the most awaited moment of today. So boys and girls, hold your breath and loud your voice. Let us welcome our first participant from College Code C6, Team Mayavakra.
Give them a big round of applause, guys. Woo!
Come on, guys.
Comprehends with knowledge to the ignorant, but it is wonder. Only the knower knows that the transformation that is seen is also felt. Unraveled reality, smash duality. Oneness is all the unseen force of all. Presenting you Maya Vikara, the journey of illusional transformation.
This is no dream. This is reality.
26 seconds.
Now, let us call upon our next team, Smoking Cigars, College Code C6. I repeat, Smoking Cigars, College Code C6.
Give them a big round of applause.
0 or a size 50. They don't have a size for my spirit and never will. Your mind is engaged, let it free. My body is not, let it be. My choice. To love temporarily or to lust forever. My choice. To love a man or a woman or both. Remember, you are my choice. I'm not your privilege. My choice. To come home when I want. Don't be upset if I come home at 4 a.m. Or don't be fooled if I come home at 6 p.m. My choice. To find my career or to pick you from 7 billion choices or not. My choices are like my fingerprints. They make me unique. I am the snowflake, not the snowfall. You are the snowflake. So, wake up. I am the universe. This is my choice.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
8 minutes 57 seconds. I restate, time 8 minutes 57 seconds. Our next team is Team IKEA.
College code C18. I repeat, college code C18.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
ಕಣ್ಣುಗಿಡಬೇಡ